It's hitting my face. I'm not over dramatic. You're talking on me, bro. Bro, I can literally feel it on the top of my head. Like you probably making my hair move. Bro, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Chill. You gonna get me clapped. Are you okay? Get some water. Here, get some water.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brooke back at you with another prank lazy. So for those who don't know, this past week I have not been feeling good at all, but this morning I woke up feeling so much better. So I only thought it'd be right to come back, you know, with a little prank on Jordan. He's currently upstairs right now, and my whole entire idea for this pretty much is I'm just gonna be coughing all over his face, his space, all up in his area pretty much. I'm just gonna be coughing on him. Like I said, I haven't been feeling good, but I just want to get this straight real quick. I'm not contagious. I do not have the flu. I do not have a cold or anything like that. I actually figured out that it was a new birth control that I got put on, and I'm off of it. I am straight now. We are all good. We are back at about 95%, so we good. We getting there. Now, I know me coughing in his face and whatnot, it's a little like, ooh, but at least he won't get sick. I hope. I hope. But anyways, go ahead, smash that like button for your girl. We gonna get right into it. Trap, you ready to go in? You go in? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, stop.
What?
Why are you doing that?
Just playing out. Oh, you already got a blue shield.
Need a gun. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You need a cough drop? Some hot chocolate?
No, I think I ate all the cough drops actually.
You ate them all?
Yeah, I think so. Unless you saw that.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
What you need?
Nothing.
What's up?
What's up? I'm just chilling, watching you.
See the new season?
Yeah, it looked cool.
Bro, like literally you coughing on me though. Like
What?
damn, you coughing on me.
I am not even coughing on you. I'm literally coughing the other way.
But I can feel your, like the breath of your mouth hitting my cheek.
You so
It's hitting my face. I'm not over dramatic. You're coughing on me, bro. Bro, I can literally feel it on the top of my head. Like you probably making my hair move. You coughing on me.
I am not. I'm literally, you know, to see me, I was coughing this way. This way. I was coughing.
Oh my gosh. Just chill out, man.
I'm not doing anything.
Watch where you aim that thing, that mouth.
I'm literally covering myself up. My bad.
Bro, chill out, man. You keep coughing on my damn head. Chill out now, you gonna get me sick.
I am not.
Yes, you are. Stop.
No, I am not.
Yes, you are.
I'm
Stop.
not even sick anymore. So
I don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't mean I want you coughing on me. Damn, that make it okay.
But I'm not even coughing on you.
Stop. What?
What?
I'm nothing. I'm wetting you. Like what?
You got any water in here?
What you doing? What you trying to do?
I'm going to get me some water. What you want?
Nothing. I want you to stop coughing on me.
Much better.
Dude, you got something. Stop putting stuff down your damn throat. What's wrong with
The
you?
only thing I'm putting down my throat is cough drops. Thank you. Shut up.
Brooke, stop! Brooke, stop coughing on me. Like, why do you keep doing that?
I'm not even coughing.
Why don't you just, if you're gonna stand over here, cough the other way. Just cough the other way.
I'm coughing the other way.
Damn, just get away from behind me. Move. Chill out now. You can stay, I don't care, bro. You can stay right here. But just don't be coughing on me.
I'm not even coughing on you,
just got
though.
over being sick.
But I'm not even
Did
coughing
you not,
on
though?
you.
Did you not? Did you just get over being sick?
I mean, yeah. But still, I thought like that's long gone.
So then why you gonna cough on me?
That was just sinuses. It's not like...
I don't care about sinuses. Damn, I don't want no sinus. I don't want no sinuses on my neck, on my hair, on the back of my head,
You
nothing.
sound over dramatic.
I ain't over dramatic. I just don't want you coughing on me. Chill out, man. Drink your water now. Why don't you go
What
take
you think I'm doing?
Y'all asked me to go soak in some damn Epsom salt. Take a bath. Take a hot shower. Get off the house. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just like a tickle in the back of my
Why don't you
throat.
get
I don't
some
know what it is.
Why don't you get some of the throat spray? You ate all the cough
We don't
drops?
have any throat spray.
You ate all the cough drops?
Yes.
Thank you. Never mind. Sorry.
Let's not go get some more then. Get some more of this thing up. Go drink some water, Brooke. Sit your ass down
I've literally been
somewhere.
drinking water.
Go
Like,
sit your ass down somewhere. Damn.
Level 3.
What?
nothing. I just want to watch you play. That's it.
Bro, I told you can watch me play, but if you're going to, just cover your mouth.
Okay.
Don't cough on me.
Okay. I got you.
Your breath stink.
It does not.
Chill out now. Chill out now. Brooke,
Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
come on, not now, bro. Come on now. We got action. Brooke, okay, that's enough. That's enough. Chill. You gonna get me clapped. Are you okay? Get some damn water. Here, get some water. Drink some damn water, Brooke. Oh my gosh. Hold on, man. Get some water. Just drink some damn water. What is wrong with you? You need to go lay down somewhere. Damn.
Jordan,
But I don't understand why you gotta sit beside me and do it, bro. Just get it.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Baby.
Where's the nose spray at?
Baby. Baby. Baby, I love you. I love you so much. And I would never, what?
Do nothing to me.
I would never intend to get you sick. I was just faking it the whole time. I don't actually need
Bro, but you can't fake it. You was coughing on me. Either way,
The only reason I started coughing was because I was making myself cough. Like, that's the only, okay, but that's the only reason I started coughing was because I was making myself. Just so I could get on your nerves. Baby, I love you. I love you.
Fuck out my way. Damn, you got me killed, bro. We was having a good game. Too.
Okay, first of
I
all,
should've killed them.
you and your team was ass, so I don't want to hear that. You wasn't getting nowhere.
Bro, now with your hot ass breath huffing and puffing, dragging,
Dragon? What you mean?
huffing and puffing on me like you the big bad
Okay,
woman.
but literally.
Big bad Brooke. Big bad Brooke. Gonna eat all your little
That's right,
snacks.
I'm gonna eat your face off too, so don't forget it. Don't
You gonna
forget
cough my damn face off. My shit.
And I'm gonna blow you away. That's what I'm supposed to do. I'm
Golly.
supposed to blow you away, right? Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all, that actually started hurting me a little bit, honestly.
Alright, watch. If I get swine flu like you did, then
Okay, don't even play. Don't even play.
If I get
First of all, I had
swine flu, I'm blaming
sinus
your
issues. I had sinus issues.
if I get
And my birth control was messing with me.
I'm blaming yo
Oh,
ass.
don't even play.
ass.
Don't even play. You just like a kid. Just like a kid.
Coughing on me.
What?
I'm a little kid, but you coughing on me. With your nasty
Because
ass.
I wanted to annoy you. What? That's nasty?
Coughing on me, Brooke? Coughing on me?
Yes.
Coughing on me? Damn, you know you was sick, right?
Yes.
So why would you come and cough on my damn forehead? My cheekbones and shit.
Because I wanted to annoy you. See what you would do. Ah!
Damn.
Trap, get him. Go get him. No? That's a no? That's a no-go. It's all me.
You got me killed.
Okay.
Fucker. Chill out,
Okay.
yo.
First of all, you ain't gotta go
Stupid
on.
ass video.
What? Oh, babe, listen. If you get sick,
Listen.
I promise I will take care of you. I will feed you chicken noodle soup. I will.
I don't want chicken noodle soup.
What you want?
Booty flakes.
Some booty flakes? I can give you some booty flakes. Don't worry, I'll take care of you.
Quick, can you leave me alone, bro? Get out of my hair.
What?
Look at it.
I love
Look
your
at it.
hair. Y'all, the reason Jordan's hair be looking kind of messed up is because I be having my hands all in it.
Stop, bro. I don't even wear my hair like that, so how?
I know, but when it's out, I love to put my hands in it because it's never out.
Shut up. Look at your damn head.
Shut up.
Look at your damn head.
What about my head? My hair is braided. What about it? My roots coming through, but what about it? Huh?
Yeah, that shit ain't braided. It's faded.
Oh,
it ain't braided. It's faded. I'm just kidding. Chill, baby. Chill.
Oh.
Go about your business, man. Go cough somewhere else now. Go cough up. Stop.
I just had to do it for one last good measure.
Bro, but you literally still did it, so either way, it can't be a prank.
So,
like, you still coughed on my face.
Anyway,
I literally felt
still
specks of
coughed
spit.
on his ass.
I literally felt specks of spit drop
Specks
on
of
my
spit
damn. I
on
thought it
your
was
face.
raining this time.
Well, there you go. There's your rain
Your
for the
big
week.
ass mouth. Shit like a damn.
My mouth. Boy, I don't want to hear nothing about it. I ain't getting nothing on you over
Bro,
dramatic.
shut up. I can't even hear what they saying.
What they supposed to be? I'm over it. It's cool. Whatever. Team Brooke and his bitch. We got his ass. Thank you so much for watching.
Boy,
Wait. You want to fight right here? I'll make you die again. Watch. I'll make you die again.
I don't want no problems. I want you to leave me alone, bro. Y'all, like, I'm trying to damn rank up, alright? I'm trying to do something here.
See, all you care about is the game. That's why I had to call.
But don't cough on me. Shorty.
Get
You got me killed.
hands off when you playing the game.
Wow. It's mine, man.
Anyways, I'll see y'all next time.